Hello friends, welcome to my channel World of Physical Chemistry. In this video I am going to discuss with you the solutions for some numericals based on the phase diagram and which are definitely useful for the NET set preparations. Now see the example number 1. The given figure represents the phase diagram of a dilute aqueous solution of a non-volatile solute and other phases that may be in equilibrium with the same. The phases marked X, Y and Z respectively are. 4 options are given, A, B, C, D. Now see the solution. If we compare the given phase diagram with the atypical phase diagram of one component system, we can clearly say that the Y point marked as a solid, the X as a liquid and the Z as a vapor. Therefore the correct answer is option D, that is water, ice and water vapor. Now see the more interesting example number 2. In the following phase diagram, phase of a substance marked as point A will be. 4 options are given, A, B, C, D. Now see the solution. On comparing the given phase diagram with the typical phase diagram of one component system, we can say that the phase of a substance marked as point A will be solid. Therefore the correct answer is option A, solid. The next one, what would happen to the state of a substance represented by this following phase diagram if the pressure changed from point A to point B holding temperature constants? Option A, B, C and D are given. We have to identify the correct answer. In the given phase diagram, the pressure changed holding temperature constant from point A, that is the solid phase, to the point B, that is the vapor phase. Due to decreasing the pressure from point A to point B, the solid phase, that is ice, sublimed to give water vapor, that is the change of phase takes place from solid to vapor, and that process is nothing but sublimation process. Therefore the correct option is B, sublimation. Now see the next one. The phase diagram of the water system is shown in the following figure. The temperature at which line OC intersects the 1 atmosphere line is called as boiling point, triple point, freezing point and critical point. Now see the solution for this example. In the given phase diagram, the line OC is the fusion curve where solid phase is in equilibrium with liquid phase. The temperature at which line OC intersects the 1 atmosphere, the line is called as freezing point because that curve belongs to the fusion curve. Therefore the correct answer is option C, freezing point. And the next one is very important example. In the following figure, the chemical potential, which is represented with the symbol mu, of each phase at constant pressure is plotted against temperature. Predict the phases which are stable or more stable in the 3 boundaries. So before giving the solution to this example, first we have to understand what do mean by the chemical potential. Dear students, remember the most important partial molar quantity in physical chemistry is the partial molar free energy, which is designated by chemical potential. The chemical potential of any component is defined as the change in the free energy of the system if 1 mole of the component is added at constant temperature and pressure to such a large quantity of the system so that there is no appreciable change in the composition of the system takes place. Now see the solution for this example. It is clear from the given figure that for gaseous phase the chemical potential is higher, below that for solid, and the least chemical potential for liquid phase. That is, from figure we can say that at temperature less than melting point, that is Tm, the chemical potential of solid phase is the minimum, that is least. And the criteria of spontaneity says that the system is stable if the free energy decreases. Thus, below Tm, solid phase is stable, while between Tm and Tb, liquid phase, and above Tb, vapor phase will be stable. If you like the content of the video, please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.